Hello and welcome back, my dear students. Now we'll start chapter number 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. Let's begin this chapter by circulatory system. In human beings, digested food, water and oxygen are transported to all parts of the body. Waste products are also transported from all parts of the body to be removed from the body. The transport of substances in the body is done by the circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Blood transports substances in the body. It has a fluid part called plasma and cells like red blood cell, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's see. Red blood cells contains a pigment called hemoglobin which transports oxygen. White blood cells fights against germs and protects us from diseases. Platelets helps in clotting of blood. Blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. They are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They have thick walls. Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. They have thin walls. Capillaries are the thin blood vessels which join arteries and veins. Pulse or pulse rate. Blood flows through arteries at a high pressure causing throbbing movements called pulse. The number of pulse beat per minute is called pulse rate. The normal pulse rate is between 72 and 80 beats per minute. Heart. The heart is an organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body. The heart is about a size of our fist. The heart has four chambers. The two upper chambers are called atria and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. The heart has partition in the middle of which prevents mixing up of oxygen rich and carbon dioxide rich blood. Heartbeat. The walls of the heart is made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically, producing heartbeat. We can feel the heartbeat if we place the hand on the left side of the chest. The human heart beats about 70 to 80 times per minute. Stethoscope is a device used to hear the sound of the heartbeat. It has a chest piece and two earpieces joined by the tubes. Excretion in animals. Excretion, the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Excretion is done by excretory system. The human excretory system consists of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The blood brings the waste products to the kidneys. The kidneys filter the waste and removes the waste as urine. The urine passes through the ureter into the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, the urine passes out through the urethra. Transportation in plants. In plants, transports of food, water and minerals takes place through special tissues called vascular tissues. Tissues is a group of cells which perform a specialized function. Vascular tissue is of two types called xylem and phloem. The roots have root hairs which absorb water and mineral from the soil. The xylem tissue transports the water to all parts of the plant and food is prepared in the leaves. The phloem tissue transports the food to all parts of the plant. Thank you.